So, see all these tracks? You know what these tracks are, young people? Actually, I do know they're cow tracks, because apparently, what a way to start Valentine's Day off with. It's classified as, right now, it is Valentine's Day, but tomorrow at 12 tonight, it is actually classified as Valentine's Day. But, fun fact, what a way to start Valentine's Day. First of all, I have no Valentine. Second thing is, oh goodness, people are looking at me like I'm a weirdo out here. Just redneck, cooking up some stuff. So yeah, what a way. Yeah, starting off with a 2-hour delay. You want to see what? Look what's behind me. Look at that. You know what that is, young people? Do you know what? You know what that is? That is a flood. That's called the flood of 20, as some people call it. Then, it rains even more. Huge storm come by. Flood of 20 still happening. You got snow up here, floods down here, everywhere. And then, these cows, they find out that their homeland is rain. Oh. Somebody going to Popa. The Popa after somebody. Oh. Yeah, that. Oh, it's the Popa. I'm sure. What it is that it's the ambulance. Oh, hey, look, there's a crane or a swan. It's a crane right over there. That you guys can't see, but there's a huge crane. You know what it's doing? It's looking for fish. Whenever there's no fish around here. As you can see, flood watch, flood of 20. It's Valentine's Day. You got a crane over here. Cows all walked right through your home, which the cows, they found out, as I was saying, they found out that the grass was green on the other side. They came out over here, ate up a lot of my grass, and his grass is over there, my neighbor's. And look, this is what I get. I get that. So, the guys that own the cows come out here and they say, hey, we'll get them back in the ranch. So, you know what happens? They go out there, the cow tries to get in the fence. You know what happens after that? Swats them out. Just swats them out. You know what happens? They just swat them out. They gonna go. They gonna go. This video is so dumb. Oh, dear Lordy. Oh god, this video is so dumb. What a way to start Valentine's Day. So then I have no Valentine for Valentine's Day. So, who am I going to give the chocolate to tomorrow? Who? You want to know who? This wall right here. This wall right here. Crap. I've had better hair days, yes. This wall right here. Yeah, that wall right there. That's the only thing I talk to. A person. Because to me, that wall right there is a person. So I love you. Some nice chocolate. You want caramel? You want caramel, or do you want caramel? Caramel. Yeah, it's a better choice of words. For real, I have no Valentine for Valentine's Day. Only and that's just that's just one way to start off Valentine's Day for 2020. Yeah, cows stop into your ranch. Yeah, cows stop into your house, try to get in your fence. Got a 2-hour delay for school. You got the whole field just flooded. More floods over here. Snow up in there at the north. You got a mudslide. You got a different. Main thing is you got no Valentine, Leland. You know why? Because you suck. Don't judge me because I can have fake hair if I want. Don't mind the bad hair day. Don't mind it. You know what? Because you ain't. You ain't gonna mind it. Nah. This, you're not gonna get gold out of it. You are not gonna mind it. You're not gonna get gold out of it. Oh, dear gosh, this video is awful. So today was hat day. Got everybody talking about my hat. I'm taking this off. I'm just gonna go with the stupid old morning hair. So yeah, and got a flood behind me. No Valentine. Just waiting out there for somebody. And yet, nobody. Have a day, guys. Happy Valentine's Day for people who does have a Valentine. Such as not me. And see you later. Bye! Who am I gonna kill next?